Hello everybody, it's the Swedish Traveler here. How you doing? I got a DHL package. I got this one delivered to my door actually. I didn't need to pick this one up myself, which I must admit was awesome. I know what this is, but I want to show you instead. If I can manage to open it properly. There we go. You see, there's even some holes to it. How am I supposed to open this one up? Oh, come on. Sorry about this, guys. Scissor is my best friend in this case. There we go. Got some tea, jasmine and mint. Royal London blend. Organic peppermint rooibos. Whoa, spearmint green. Mint apple joy. I think I actually got two spearmint green big ones. Yep, two big spearmint green big ones. Chocolate Earl Grey. I'm a huge tea fan. Got two ones. Strawberry raspberry. And Royal Star. Two small spearmint greens. Japanese sencha fukuyi. And one more mint apple joy in pure organic peppermint. And sencha aloe vera. So got a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff on my table at the moment. So, spearmint green, 2 spearmint greens, chocolate Earl Grey, Royal London, which is Yunnan and single estate, Ceylon tea, jasmine mint, peppermint rooibos, mint apple joy. Got 2 mint apple joys. Pure organic peppermint, 2 small spearmint greens. Essential aloe vera and Japanese Sencha Fukuchi. So that's a huge unboxing for you. Comment below, let me know what you think. You can like and subscribe, and if you want to support my channel, you can buy some merch in the merch shop down below. Otherwise, peace.